Hello everyone. When the streets turn into a battleground, rules become meaningless. Today, we'll witness hot tempers, blocking, smashing windows, and unbelievable physical assaults. Are you ready? Let's see the madness of rage behind the wheel right now. There are people who are always in a hurry to get ahead, but have plenty of time to stop and yell. The poor neighbor's car was parked across the street. They didn't deserve to suffer like that. He thought he was tough enough until he met someone tougher. Thankfully, no matches took place.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Look where you're going.
You're in the middle of the road.
No, it's a U-turn.
Then
Go
wait.
snatch the
Then
head
fucking
off.
wait.
Hit my truck again. and I'll
Dumb
fuck that
fucking
shit up.
dumbass dude. What the fuck?
You want the ride? You're
Right here, bitch. I got this shit, dude.
camera. Take your camera. You hit my fucking truck.
Because you almost fucking killed me.
Watch where you're going.
I'm going straight.
And I was making a U-turn, bitch.
Then stop. What the fuck?
He's probably about to get into legal trouble. Luckily, I locked my doors right away. He tried to open the door and smash my window. It was at that moment that he probably realized he had made a mistake. Wow, where I live, we would never use cars this beautiful for demolition racing.
该还开了。
没事问题。
还就出轨了，感觉。好久了。
不是你家。
He was willing to spend a few cans of paint just to deal with someone who parked their car blocking the path of people with disabilities. The driver's patience and composure are truly admirable.
这个行车记录仪。
出来！出来！出来！出来！出来！别！车上有娃的，别给我出来！
行车记录仪。
出来！有男人出来！男人出来！出来！出来！把你娃都逮了，你还不出来？打住！出来！打住！出来！打住！男人出来！打住！我逮你娃！
干啥呀？瞧瞧我干啥？你不要抱个娃在这儿晃啊！
不要坐那玩意儿，不要坐那玩意儿，不要坐那玩意儿，你娃出来！
我违反交通规则，我在县里面呢。我强行变道。警察来了再说，警察来了再说。
对你妈出来！对你妈！对你妈！
啊嗨！
对你妈！我给你看家出来！给我打住！给我打住！出来！
你别走，你别走。
出来了说话！我出来！
He apparently didn't have time to react. Haha. The streets are increasingly filled with reckless drivers.
Now's the time.
A fight nearly broke out if they hadn't noticed the police watching them.
Grow up. Sit down or you're gonna get arrested. Both of you, grow up. Come on, boys. Move it. Everybody's a winner.
Getting out of the car and causing a scene is sometimes not a smart option because you could get hit at any moment. That aggressive girl was lucky to meet two really calm men.
No fucking way you just did that. Bro, no way. No way. We're gonna follow her. You're gonna follow her. Come on. Oh, go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh, this is crazy. Oh shit! No way.
Just like get rear-ended.
No way. Jeez, ridiculous, bro. No way.
And go that way. Go straight? Yeah. She's wild. I should let her tap me though, huh?
It was hilarious to witness this scene while driving behind these two cars.
What the hell? Whoa! What the fuck? Whoa. Oh my god. Whoa. Should I follow?
No, definitely not.
Oh my god.
Too aggressive and reckless. A moment of anger can have devastating consequences. Never let your emotions drive you. The most exciting karma moments for reckless drivers await in the next video on your screen. Click to watch now. Goodbye.